Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I wanted to do a fun little flip through of my coffee journal that I have finished. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. All right. So what do we got here? So I got this on the front, and I just thought it was so cool, this material. It's like a I ordered it off Amazon, and they called it a waterproof material, and it's got a cool, just thick feeling to it, and just kind of, it's really neat. And it's got the old time like coffee press, and you got the coffee beans here, the bag of coffee beans, and I just thought it was just so cool. It is just so much fun. So yeah, and then I got my dangle that I did some wooden beads on it, and some dyed fabric, and just some fun lacy stuff hanging in. Oh, some rope. I did some cotton rope. So yeah, and it's got a bulb pin at the top here with beads on it, and then just a little charm hanging from it. So yeah, it's just so much fun. And I got a seam binding closure here with eyelets. So I'll untie that. And we'll do a quick little flip through here. Okay. So I just got craft paper on the front of each signature, and there's 4 signatures in here. And everything I have in here is pretty much avocado dyed and onion dyed, and there is some stenciled paper that I use with my RIT dye, which is great for fabric, and you could do it on papers, and put it in a spritz bottle with a little bit, it's a liquid, so you just dilute it down, and you can spray your stencils with it and stencil. So I just have some avocado fun interest pages here, and some greeting cards that I did some sewing around. And then just fun little game word pages and stuff. And then did a little bit of ruffles on the edge. Got a paper bag that has some just cute little pockets in it you could stick your stuff in. And then this is the stenciled paper I was talking about that I do with my RIT dye. And just a little more ruffles on the edge here. Some stamping throughout. And on the middle signatures, I like to have just some interest page, you know, something when you open it up, it's really pretty. So there's some fun coloring pages, journaling spots. And you get a little pocket here. And I have a video that I just did the other day showing how I made the little pockets and flip outs and stuff, and did the ruffles on it. And I will post that link down below for you guys, so you can come check it out, like how to put your signatures together, or, you know, how I put them together, and it just gives you ideas. Okay, so this is the other side of the signature. And these little index cards are so cool. They're just fun. They have little rainbows on them, and then you'll see throughout there's a little puppy dog, and there is an alligator one, but I don't know if that's in here. But so I did some sewing around it and dyed it with avocado dye. And I will put that link down below, how I avocado and onion skin dye my papers. So yeah, just some fun things to look at. And then this one's onion dyed. And I used an envelope. And I show you guys in the video, I'll post the link below, and it shows you how you can incorporate an envelope in. And did some sewing around it. And this is with my RIT dye too, and it was just a green, neon green color, and it turned out like that. So it's kind of fun. So yeah, so there's my middle signature. And this will be in my Etsy shop, so I'll have this for sale in there. And yeah, if you guys just wanted to come favor my shop, it helps out a lot. Just push the heart in my Snowstorm Crafts Etsy, and the link will be down below. And I'll put the link for this, the journal too, the coffee journal down below. But it just has tons of journaling space and fun things, you know, you could do. So that's the second signature. And just some fun little things you can write about yourself, like your favorite things and stuff. Yeah. And then this is just more of my stenciling with my Rit die, and did it on some graph paper. And then more ruffles that I did some sewing. And then some fun sewing up top with some stamps. And then more envelope pockets. And then some pretty garden book pages. More pockets. And then this is the flip out that I did. I'll make sure you guys can see it. So it just flips out. Like that. And I did some sewing here. So this is a great little journaling spot. Okay. That's the other side of the signature. And then more things that you like and stuff and dislike. Some vegetables. And a poem. And oh, there's a little puppy dog. A little wiener dog. It's cute. And I kept some of the, you know, threads long just for interest and fun. You can cut them off if you need to. And then the last signature. And then this is just the McCall's, just the pattern paper that you get in like the McCall's things to make different patterns. And I got it at Goodwill, so I mean, it's, you could tell it's definitely older paper, an older pattern. And some more cards that I did a little sewing around. That's fun. And then the middle signature. So I like to keep the middle signatures kind of fun. Just some pretty things to look at. And then more little ruffles on the side. So as you can see, there's tons of journaling space in here. And fun things you can do. And then you can see step-by-step pattern. And it's a McCall's. Yeah. So that's definitely from the, I would say 70s, 60s, 70s probably. Yeah. So that's fun. And then some more pages to play on. A little wiener dog. And that's the end of it. And then it comes with some fun little pockets at the end here. And there we go. So just give me just 1 second. Okay, so I just wanted to add in a little tag for you guys. Whoever purchases it, have a little fun little tag. And with some journaling spot in the back here. And some stamping, little butterfly stamps, or stencil on the front. And yeah, I'll just put it right here in the back. So I think that's fun right there. And you can see it popping through the top here. So that's cute. So yeah, like I said, this will be in my Etsy shop. And even if you guys don't purchase or anything, just I'd really appreciate if you came and just favored. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down below and do some, you know, send me a comment and just do some, anything that you want to comment about and what you liked about it and stuff. And I'd really love to hear. And it really helps out my channel if you comment and like. And thank you guys for watching. And keep on crafting.